Do you know you can protect the vital informations you have on your iPhone? For example, your banking app, your photo app, your messages, your chats, any app you want to protect. You can protect it with one of the secret settings you have on your iPhone, so that whenever someone tries to open them, then your phone will lock itself and demand for a passcode. So come with me, let me show you how to set it on your iPhone. So as you can see now, if someone wants to access my messages or my photos as I have locked them, then the person will not be able to do that because my phone will automatically lock itself once the person tries to open my messages, my app, the apps that I have locked. So for example, now tap on this picture now. Under a few seconds, my phone will lock itself, as you can see now. So now I'm going to show you how to do this. So first thing you need to do is to head over this clock app on your phone. Then you'll be brought here. Then tap on timer. Then tap on when timer ends. Make sure you select stop playing and tap on set. So now this one is done. So now let's go over to App Store and install the app that we will use to do this, okay? And it's totally free, okay? So now tap on App Store. Then as you can see, this is the shortcuts, the app we are going to use to perform this task. So I've already installed it on my phone. So you can go ahead and tap on install to install it on your phone. So once you're done installing it on your phone, go over to your phone. As you can see it here, tap and launch it open. So you'll be brought to this place. Then down here, tap on automation. Here, tap on this plus sign. So now tap on create personal automation. Then scroll down and tap on app. Then under app here, tap on choose. So from here now, you can choose any app you want to lock on your phone. If you want to lock multiple apps on your phone, it is also allowed. So you can choose as many apps as you want to lock. So let's say, for example, that I want to lock my TikTok. I want to lock my wallet. I want to lock my photos, my messages, so that nobody can be able to access it. So after you have selected those apps you want to lock, then tap on done. So here, make sure this is opened, is checked, okay? So now you can see we have selected 4 apps that we want to lock. So now tap on next. So you need to give it an action. So to do that, we tap on this add action button. Then here we are going to search for timer. So here tap on start timer. Then here, for example, I'm going to select 2 seconds, 2. So I'm going to put this minutes into seconds. Then tap on next. Then here, make sure ask before running is checked off. Okay? Don't ask. Then tap on done. So that is it. Now, if you go to your phone now, if somebody wants to access your messages or maybe access your photos, then your phone will lock itself. So now let's try to access these photos. So as you can see, under 2 seconds, my phone locked itself. So this is how to lock your apps so that someone cannot be able to access it. So if you like this, comment down, like and share this video, and follow me for more tips, okay?